with it, good mob? It's another beautiful morning and we are about to go back to the beach for the second time. Really, it's the second day because yesterday it was kind of rainy and yeah, we didn't want to do all that stuff. But anyway, here go your girl Everly. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go outside? Are you ready to go outside? Do the Evie dance, do the Evie dance. Ready to go outside? We ready to go outside. Wanna go see some fishies? Go see some fishies? Ready to go to the beach? Are you ready to go to the beach? Yeah, yeah. Ready to go to the beach? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Say see you at the beach. Guys, Bailey's in the restroom right now getting ready. We're about to head to the beach and we will see you all there. It's a little windy, so bring a jacket. All right, peace. Some more family fun, you guys. Here come the wave.
She was trying to get on her belly.
Whoa. Yeah, that is so cool.
Can you put my phone in somewhere? Little ball. Water! Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Evie! Evie! Water! Oh, guys! Oh, guys! Oh gosh! Oh, it's so pretty.
Welcome to the good mob. Oh man, this is amazing. Yeah, you guys, it's a beautiful day. Pensacola, Florida. If you haven't been here, please come. Oh my goodness. Pensacola, Gulf Breeze, Navarre, Destin, all of those places here in Florida. It's beautiful. It's not that crowded if you come in the fall time. It's October, so it's not that crowded. We don't have to worry about the summer breaks or the spring breaks or any of that right before it gets too cold. It's a beautiful, beautiful time to be here. The only thing I say is you have to watch out for the bad weather because it is what they would call hurricane season. In the fall time, it starts around late September. But other than that, this is a beautiful place to be in this time. So I do recommend it for sure.
Daddy, can you meet us back? Our $10?
$10. You're welcome. Comment down below if you've ever been to Pensacola and what time of year do you go. Stay tuned for the Q&A video we're gonna do about the good mob and tell y'all a little bit about who we are and you know what to expect from this channel. A lot of good things coming, a lot of good videos being dropped 2 to 3 times a week. My family. They're having a good time. I'm having a good time. Are y'all having a good time? Woo! Almost got sucked in. But yeah, like I said, 2 to 3 times a week we're dropping videos, so stay tuned for that. Come on, the good mob. We love you guys for sure. I thank you for all the support. Y'all do. You guys are the reason our channel is growing. And we just want to give y'all a special shout out and a thank you, and we love you for sure. Without you guys, we couldn't grow like we're growing. We've been doing YouTube now for about 2 weeks. I know. Ever since we uploaded our first video, our channel hasn't stopped growing. We thank you for the time watch. We thank you for the subscribers and the likes and the comments on all of our videos. Thank you guys. Found here. What have we found?
Fish! Look at it! It's got a tentacle and everything.
It's a jelly. Roll it over.
Oh, and pour some water on it.
Let's see it. Oh yeah, that's a jelly. That is 100% jelly right there.
Watch Everly, man.
Now we know what we're dealing with. The ocean has spit out a jellyfish. Yeah, there's one over here by where I'm sitting. Right there by the chair. Yeah, right there. Scoop it up and throw it somewhere. That's a baby one. You can bury it by its mother or father. Yeah, prayers to those communities that were affected by the tropical depression or tropical storms that happened. But look at this, you guys. This is crazy. This is not a water park. These are not fake waves. If you go in here and you can't swim, you in there for life. You're a part of the ocean. Oh, here it goes. Woo-wee. All the way up here. That is. Huh? Little jelly things.
Little jelly thingy.
Yeah.
You want her?
What you doing? What's that for?
I can talk.
Huh? You want me to have it? Alright, you guys, we are finally back to the room. We had a great time at the beach. It was amazing. The sun's starting to come out now at 3. It's like 3 p.m. and the sun is coming out. We've been out there for a few hours, but we had a blast. We had a wonderful time. And
It was wonderful.
was it?
Yes, it was glorious.
You get a tan?
Probably not.
I did.
I'm pasty. And I will always be pasty.
Well, if you say so. Ain't nobody judging. Alright, good mom. We are back at the house finally. We just got back from Walmart. Getting some pizza pans for our pizzas we're having tonight. And mama got the pizzas ready. They're in the oven cooking up. You know what I mean? Everly? What you got going on? You help mama cook the pizza?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
For sure.
Say 17 minutes.
Say 17 minutes. Can you say that? Can you say 17?
You see him in there?
Let's see him. Yep, pizza's in there cooking, getting baked up. I got the meat lovers pizza, got all the meat on there, of course. You know, and mama, she does the basic cheese pizza. And me personally, I'm like, hey, the pizza already come with cheese on it, so we gotta put a little bit extra on there for me. What time is it? It is 5:36 p.m. and we are on our last day in Pensacola, Florida, and we enjoyed ourselves for sure. We enjoyed ourselves. We leave out and go back home tomorrow. We check out of this place at around 11, like normal places, but hey, we had fun. We had a lot of fun out here, and can't wait to see where we go next. We're gonna try to change it up. You know, every year we'll go somewhere different. You know, mama, she loves the beach. She loves the beach. So, you know, comment down below if you know any places other than Pensacola.
We have the beach.
That has a beach that is nice. Now, we don't want to go to nothing janky, nothing raggedy. So if you live around a raggedy beach, we don't want that. You know, you can comment down below, but don't withhold that information. Don't be like, oh, come down with us. It's a gold mine. No.
Let us know.
Let us know. Matter of fact, comment down below where you live so we can look it up ourselves. And don't be sending no false messages now. But
we ain't gonna be creepers, because that sounded creepy.
yeah, a little bit. No, we ain't gonna do that.
Research where you live.
Yeah, we're gonna find out where you live.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Nah, we're not gonna do that. But comment down below where you live, if you live around the beach, because we may be coming your way soon. So let us know how everything is.
Can sing song with mama. Can sing a song.
Go, Evie, go. Go, Evie, go.
Head, shoulders,
Knees and toes, knees and toes.
Head,
shoulders,
knees and
toes,
toes, knees and
toes,
toes, and eyes and
ears,
and mouth
and nose.
Head, shoulders,
Knees and toes, knees and toes. Yay! You did it.
Yay!
Okay, enough of that.
Look at the boat! Look at the boat! Look at the boat! Look at the boat!
It's a boat out there?
Look at the boat!
It is a boat. It's like a yacht.
It's a boat. It's a
It's a yachty out there.
It's a yachty.
It's a yachty.
It's a yachty boat.
Yachty yachty. We likes to party, yeah.
A boat. You put a boat.
Like off of Nemo, it's a butt.
It's a butt. Don't touch
It's
the
a
butt.
butt. Don't touch
the boat.
He touched the butt. But anyway, you guys, we're gonna wrap this night up. We're gonna go and eat, and then we're gonna watch a movie, and we're gonna shoot a Q&A video for you guys. So stay tuned for that. We love you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Huh? Yeah, that is cool. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And we will see you guys on the next video. We love you. Peace. Say bye. Say bye to the camera. Say bye. Goodbye. Bye. 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 All right, you guys. We'll see y'all later. Bye.